Everyone, myself Divya Tamilkar. Today I'm going to explain the rest part of chapter number 17 Nandita and in Mumbai, and also solve the book exercise of this chapter. In the first part of this video I already explained that Nandita come to Mumbai with her mother for her treatment. She lived in her mama's place. Her mama live in a narrow street. They are using only a public tap for water and public toilet. First of all, Nandita did not like it because it's so smelly, so dirty. After that, when she lived here for a month, she get used to. And there are lots of difference between Nandita's village house and Mama's house. After some times, Nandita's getting used to all these things. So student, open your EVS book, page number 139. Here I'll give the answers of your book exercise. The first question is, why did Nandita have to bring her mother from the village to Mumbai? नंदिता अपनी मॉम को विलेज से मुंबई क्यों लाई? Already I have told you that in Mumbai there are lots of facilities, hospitalized facilities, medical facilities. It is much better as comparison to any other places like village areas. गांव में बहुत कम फैसिलिटीज़ होती है मेडिकल की, और मुंबई जैसे बड़े सिटीज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा फैसिलिटीज़ होती हैं. सो राइट योर आंसर्स फ्रॉम हेयर. Cities like Mumbai have better medical facilities than the village has. Nandita had to bring her mother from the village to Mumbai for treatment. उसकी मॉम को नंदिता मुंबई उसके ट्रीटमेंट के लिए लाई थी. The second question is, Nandita used to feel like vomiting when at first she had to use the toilet where Mama lived. Why? Why? Because it is too small and dirty. So write the answer from here. The toilet was used by everyone in the street. It was always extremely dirty and smelled very bad. That's why Nandita used to feel like vomiting when first she had to use the toilet where Mama lived. It is lived, okay? By mistakes it's written as a loud. It's not a loud, it's lived. So correct that word from here. It's lived, Lived. You can pause this video also and write all the answers in your textbook. That is the first question and that is the second. Also you can take a screenshot of this, and but you have to fill it in your book, okay? Okay, let's move on. Next question. In what ways did Nandita find her mama's house to be different from her house in the village? नंदिता गांव में जिस घर पे रहती थी वो और अभी जो अपने मामा के घर पे रह रही थी उसमें लॉट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस थे, बट मैंने यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 डिफरेंस मेंशन किए हैं. द फर्स्ट इज़ Nandita's house in the village has separate cooking area, but here is a T, but in Mama's house it wasn't so. नंदिता के मामा जो थे उनके घर पे एक ही रूम था. वो वहाँ पे सिटिंग, कुकिंग, बाथिंग, ईटिंग, एवरीथिंग दे डू इन जस्ट इन वन रूम. And next point is, Nandita house in the village has a courtyard. Mama house wasn't so. नंदिता के हाउस में कोर्टयार्ड मीन्स आंगन था, बट मामा के हाउस में ये नहीं था. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट्स डिफरेंट डिड नंदिता फाइंड गेटिंग वाटर फ्रॉम द पब्लिक टैप एंड इन द विलेज? As I already explained in first part that in village they get water from pond and lakes and they do not have any type of fight for water, but Mumbai they does. So answers start from here. There is no fight or rush to get water from pond and river in the village, while in Mumbai there are big fights to get water from public tap. People have to come in queue to get water. The time was also fixed for water supply in Mumbai. What time? You have to give the answer in comment section कि नंदिता और उसकी मामी पब्लिक टैप से वाटर लाने के लिए कितने बजे उठ जाते थे. In which time they wake up to go in the public tap for water. Next question, was there electricity at the place where Nandita's mama lived? Yes, there was electricity at the place where Nandita's mama lived. So if you want to take a screenshot you can, but have to fill it, okay, but you have to fill it in your book. This also we learn that Nandita learn how to stand in a queue, how much to pay for ticket, where to get down, and she travel to bus stand to hospital, and she go to Bablu's house, and there are lots of room in Bablu's house as comparison to their mama's house. In their mama house they have only one room. In Bablu's house it has many rooms for different works. Okay, so let's page number 142. Next question is, when Nandita first come to Mumbai, what were the things that she was afraid to do? There are lots of things, okay, but I mention here 1 to 2 things. So answers start from there. Going to crowded places, boarding the bus, to look down from higher floors, to board a lift, were the things that Nandita was afraid to do when she first come to मुंबई. भीड़ वाली जगह पे जाना, बस पे चढ़ना उतरना, और बड़े बड़े फ्लोर से नीचे देखना, लिफ्ट का यूज़ करना, दैट वाज द सम थिंग्स वेयर वाज नंदिता अफ्रेड टू डू. Here, what were the difference between the houses where Mama lived and the houses in the high-rise building? Lots of difference, okay? Lots of difference, but I mentioned just some of few difference. That is, in Nandita's in Nandita their mama lives, there are common toilet, the first point, and the high-rise building is a separate toilet. Second point, there is no kitchen, and high-rise building there is a separate kitchen. The next is third point, no tap water, but in the high-rise building there is a water tap in kitchen and bathroom. Okay, ये वाला जो वर्डिंग है ना यहाँ लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. And fourth point is no glass window is Nandita's mama house, and high-rise building have a glass window. So I'll mention only 4 points. You can mention more than. So if you want to take a screenshot you can do it and fill it in your book. Okay, tell about yourself. Draw a circle around the kind of house you lived in. It is like the house of Nandita, Mama, Bablu, and any other kind. Here I make a circle of Bablu house because I lived a kind of house just like a Bablu. There are many rooms in my house to use for different things, different kind of works. Okay, in my house I have a kitchen, I have a living room, I have a drawing room, at my bedroom, and a separate toilet, and also I have a courtyard. So you have to round or make a circle on that particular house where you lived. Okay, it's like a Nandita's house, means if you live in a village it's like a Nandita house, and it's a Nandita's mama house means only one room and there are all kind of things happens in one room. and if you live any other kinds, just circle on the any other kind. आपको सर्कल उस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ पे करना है जहाँ पे जिस टाइप के घर पे आप रहते हो. क्या वो नंदिता के घर की तरह है जो गांव का घर है, या मामा के घर की तरह है नंदिता के, या बबलू की तरह है. मैंने बबलू के घर पे सर्कल इसलिए किया है क्योंकि मेरा घर वैसा ही है. बिकॉज इन माई हाउस आई हैव लॉट्स ऑफ रूम टू डू different kind of work. Okay, so you have to make circle that which kind of house you lived in. Okay, so let's move on. A new worry. Mama had said that he would take me around to see Mumbai. The children around here talk a lot about Chowpatty. They says that big film star also live there. Maybe when I go there I might see a film star. So नंदिता के मामा ने उसे कहा था कि वो कभी उन्हें मुंबई घुमाने लेकर जाएंगे. वो जहाँ रहती थी, वो जो घर था जहाँ पे उसके मामा रहते थे, वहाँ इतने सारे चिल्ड्रंस रहते थे. उन्होंने कहा था कि मुंबई की चौपाटी घूम कर जाएं. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे फिल्मी स्टार रहते हैं. नंदिता को लगा कि अगर कभी वो भी घूमने गई तो शायद वो किसी फिल्म स्टार को देख सकती है. These days, Mama is so worried. I cannot ask him to take me to Chowpatty. Last week, some people had come with a notice that everyone should move out of this place. They say a big hotel will be built here. Mama was saying that this is the third time in the last 10 years that he got such notice. People who lived here have been given another place to make their houses, but it is very far away, another corner of the city. There is no drinking water, no electricity. I don't even know if any bus goes there. How will Mama reach his workplace from so far? How much money will he have to spend, and how much time also? And Mommy, will she get some another work there? If Mama move a new place, we will able my mother. Mother is not even completely well as yet. सो जहाँ नंदिता के दिमाग में चौपाटी घूमने की और फिल्म स्टार देखने की बात हो रही थी, उनके माइंड में वहीं उसके मामा थोड़े से वरीड थे अबाउट सम पीपल आर कमिंग विद नोटिस एंड दे सेड दैट एवरीवन शुड मूव आउट ऑफ दिस प्लेस. बिकॉज वहाँ जहाँ नंदिता के मामा रहते थे वहाँ एक बड़ा सा होटल बनने वाला था और उन लोगों ने कहा था कि उनके जगह के बदले उनको दूसरी जगह दी जाएगी सिटी के दूसरे कॉर्नर पे. बट वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होगी कि नहीं पता नहीं. टैप वाटर जो कि यहाँ पे भी नहीं था क्योंकि वो पब्लिक टैप यूज़ करते थे, तो वहाँ पे वो होगा कि नहीं. ये सारी चीज़ें नंदिता के मामा के वरी की रीज़न थी. और ये भी नहीं पता था उन्हें कि बस उस जगह पर पहुंचती है कि नहीं जहाँ पे उनको नया प्लेस मिल रहा है. नया घर बनाने के लिए कितने पैसे लगेंगे. उनकी मामी को, जो मामी यहाँ पे घर के पास जो बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स थी वहाँ पे वो क्लीनिंग का वर्क करती थी एज अ हाउस मेड. सो जब वो अनदर सिटी के सेकेंड एंड पे उनको जो प्लेस मिलेगा वहाँ पे वो काम कर पाएंगे कि नहीं, उनको वैसा वर्क मिलेगा कि नहीं. सो ये सारी चीज़ें नंदिता के मामा सोच रहे थे. और लास्ट 10 ईयर में ये थर्ड टाइम था जब उनको ये नोटिस मिला था. और नंदिता के दिमाग में एक चीज़ चल रही थी कि अगर उसके मामा यहाँ से मूव ऑन कर गए तो वो वापस मुंबई कैसे आएगी, क्योंकि उसकी मदर का ट्रीटमेंट अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ था. सो मामा इस चीज़ को लेकर, नंदिता के मामा थोड़े से वरीड थे. सो स्टूडेंट, हियर योर चैप्टर इज़ कंप्लीट and you will fill all the book exercise in your textbook, and here I'll ask only one question in this video, so I hope you will give the answer in the comment section. And if you don't write down this in your book, so please take a screenshot, it will be helpful to fill you. ओके आप पहले स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेंगे, उसके बाद उनके फ़ोटोज़ से आप अपनी बुक एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करेंगे. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, इफ़ यू हैव एनी type of doubt, please send your doubts in the comment section. I'll clarify it. And please like my videos and subscribe my channel for new videos. Thanks for watching.